Oh, we got something. Oh, here we got a light. We got a horn. I'm definitely excited now, guys. And my dad's watching up from above. Right, so today we're back at it. We've got Leo with us today. He's doing some filming, so I've got my little microphone on me. Should be a big day for us. Might get this thing started as long as I've rebuilt those carbs properly. So you're going to just watch us put the carbs back on and put a temporary fuel system on it just to get it going. And we're going to throw a battery on it and see if we can get it going, because I think that's one of the main things. If we can get this engine running, we can work out if there's anything wrong with it, and then we can move on to more interesting stuff. Realised this was going to be this fiddly. So that's the carbs on, sweet. Just a bit of enough for them to be used and started on. Let's get this temporary battery in place. Positive there. So this is probably the first time this has had power in five years maybe. Let's get some fuel set up on it. Oh,
something there.
We've got something. Oh, here we got a light. We got a horn. Sweet, mate. Right, I think next step is to add some fuel.
Press the starter button, see if it's turned on.
Oh, we got no starter.
Maybe neutral.
We have a neutral light.
Pull the clutch in.
Oh. That's a good start, isn't it? Right.
And then clutch out, make sure you got a start.
Okay. So my stepdad wants me to take the plugs out to make sure we got a spark. It's probably a good step. That actually looks pretty clean, to be honest. It's pretty much what you're looking for. A nice straw colour. Is that what we're saying? Alright, so I'll plug that back in there. Put that against there. And we'll have a little look what we got. Oh, got a pretty healthy spot there on that side. I'm definitely excited now, guys. And my dad's watching up from above. We've got this, Dad. So we'll definitely be replacing these at some point very soon. So they're looking a bit crusty. Oh, ignition on. Yeah, we've got a spark on the back of that one as well. Oh, and I can feel the compression off that. Well, I think next step is to definitely set up our little fuel tank temporarily so that we can give it some fuel.
Old light stands on a lawnmower tank.
Right, where are we putting that? Into that? Ow, that'd be my toe, mate.
Ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Excited?
Yeah, more than you know, mate. Right, ignition on.
Choke on.
Yeah, chokes on. Oh. Oh, yeah. Think he wants a bit more fuel. Oh.
Just a tiny bit.
Hey! Oh man, that's a good moment. This means that the build can go on. Oh. Will it stay on with? Yay! Look at that, it's running on her own, boys. We're fucking got it going. Little buzz on a fuse box. Lovely. Got her started. So what, cleaning the carbs definitely helped a lot. We know what the little issues are, but man, I'm chuffed. I'm so happy from dragging this out of my dad's shed and not been running in nearly 5 years. And now we've got her going, and it's the next step to us having our little caferacer on the road and making me dad proud with our little tribute bike. There we are. What a day. Oh, it fills me with joy, guys, it really does. I think we have to do something nice now, right? We've bought some new handlebars, which you need to have a look at soon. Just some eBay ones, but they'll do us good. And little drop bars. So I think that's the next step. Get that solenoid ordered, get these handlebars sorted, and then we'll be having a look at making this new seat, getting this tank and everything painted up. That's it. What a day. What a little bike. Come and check us out next time if this is what you like. We should have a cool little bike by the end of this, and I'd love to see you following us along. Cheers, guys.